guys, so what we got here is a Montgomery Award spinner ceiling fan that Brian got from Mark Welker yesterday at the group trip.
And yeah, it didn't come with the canopy or I borrowed the grommet and those brass things off the silver line, so it didn't come with any mounting hardware. But other than that, it looks pretty cool. So
let's get it to low. We're gonna have to make this video quick.
Because Brandon over there has to catch a flight.
So I'm gonna be heading back.
We might not do spin down on this fan depending on our time.
Yeah. Is this full low now?
I don't know. It does. Let me give it 10 more seconds.
We'll see how spin down goes. We'll see if we can do the whole thing.
Alright, here's medium. Now, fortunately, I couldn't get the pin on the bottom part of the where the grommet attaches to the down rod. It doesn't quite it works, but it doesn't entirely fit, so I'm not gonna run this for too long.
Okay.
Because it's original.
Alright, so cool. Now high?
Yeah. And quick too. I'm gonna stand back just in case.
How does it assist the air movement quickly?
Yeah, it fills a pretty good amount of air. Maybe not quite as much as the Caribbean breeze, but pretty good.
Yeah, it does a good amount of air. Get back and then spin down. See how long spin down is. Hopefully we can do the whole thing.
Yeah, but this fan has reverse as well. I'm going to want to do higher reverse. But I always like to do spin down from forward.
Yeah, well, maybe after this we'll just do a quick reverse on.
You said there was a fan collector that always would do spin down from reverse, though. Who was that?
Who would do spin down from reverse? I think that was Mitch Anderson.
Yeah, I thought that was it. But I usually like to do spin down from forward.
Yeah, because I remember he just on forward he just would slow it down with his hands and then put it to reverse and just send it down from reverse.
Yeah.
I don't know why he took down his videos from his account. I actually liked his fan videos.
Yeah. I didn't watch too many of his videos, but I may have seen a few. What was his YouTube channel again?
His YouTube account is Mr. Anderson.
Yeah, I may have seen a few of his YouTube videos.
Okay, it's about to stop.
Yeah, this one didn't have that long of a spin down.
So you just wanna...
Yes, but quick, because it's the J-hook is screwed into the wood,
okay,
and it does have the possibility of coming
just switch
out.
it now.
So very quick reverse.
So we're just gonna do it on high, I guess, or go quickly on other speeds, maybe?
No, we're gonna just do high. That's what I did for the Old South.
I don't want to get my hand too close. Okay.
Alright, that's it, guys.
Yeah, thanks
for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.